Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect OctaFx account to MT5 on PC in just a few simple steps. So first off, you have to get your Octa ID. So all you need to do is just log into your account and you can locate your ID number right here under the dashboard section. So you want to save this one, all right? And then, so let's close this now. Now, on your MT5, what you need to do is just go ahead and click on File, open an account. From here, you want to type in and search for Octa. Oh, this one. So select this, then click Next. Then from here, simply type in your login ID from Octa and then your password. After that, just go ahead and click on Finish. And that's it. Now you know how to connect OctaFx account to MT5 on PC in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!